I tell you, the science of responsibility should be taught all over India, village to village. Every village, the science of these four principles should vibrate. I am sending my sannyasis. I am sending my sannyasis to beat the drum of the four principles, village to village, and teach in every street corners, teach in every temples, every ashrams, village to village, place to place, street to street. In India, these principles should be taught. People should be living it. Ashrams and temples should be happening. These four principles should be applied not just in your actions, in your very thinking, in your very feeling, in your very experiencing. In your very experiencing, I can see clearly, awakening of the Bharat is happening. We should be building thousands of ashrams, temples, where these four principles are taught as a principles of life, where Ayurveda is shared, food is shared, the Indian cultural practices are kept alive and shared, celebrated. Let's build Mahadev's Mandir everywhere, create Goshalas, Ayurveda and Siddha, medicine producing places and sharing places. Let's share food, enrich people, building temples, ashrams, creating the space where these four tattvas are lived, practiced, enriched. Every house should become ashram, living these four principles. Every village should become community of satsang, living these four principles. Thousands of communities should be established in US and all over the world, where these four principles are established, practiced. I am creating sannyasis just for this one purpose. We should reach out village to village and build temples and ashrams. मैं इसी कारण सन्यासियों का निर्माण कर रहा हूं. Everywhere, the ashrams and temples, practicing these four principles. हमें भारत की हर गांवों में पहुंचनी होगी और इन चार तत्वों के आधार पे जीवन शैली को स्थापित करनी होगी. When you take responsibility, wealth, life, everything follows. We should build schools where these four principles are taught, ashrams where these four principles are lived, Goshalas, temples. चलिए हर जगह पर महादेव के मंदिर बना, गौशाला, आयुर्वेदा और सिद्धा के संचा स्थानों को बनाए, भोजन का सजा करे और लोगों को लाभान्वित करे. Just like this Bidadi campus, we should just multiply people living these principles. It can happen only whoever has heard this principle when you start living. आइए आप और हम मिलकर भारत का नव निर्माण करें। इस मंगल कार्य में आप भी भाग लीजिए। हर घर को एक आश्रम बना चाहिए जहां एक चार तत्व जिए जाते हैं। हर गांव को एक समुदाय बना चाहिए जहां इन चार तत्वों का लगातार सत्संग होता है। विश्व भर में समुदाय बने चाहिए जहां इन चार तत्वों का लगातार अभ्यास होता है। Indians lost the craze of running towards America. Fortunately, Americans are moving towards India to learn the science of life. From all over the world, people are moving towards India to learn the science of life. Bring integrity and authenticity and responsibility as breathing to your life. This solves all the questions of your life. Because these three principles, when you start living with enriching, these four principles are Swayam Prakasa, self-illuminating, self-effulgent,